Hi guys, and today we're gonna do a realistic Nerf battle. It's gonna be cop and robber. So I just gotta load my pocket, the handcuffs. So I'm the cop. He's my friend, my neighbor Billy's the robber. And let us get ready.
Clearly. That's all you got?
No! I also got this thingy that makes the water in your toilet turn blue.
Great. So for dinner,
We're just getting set up here.
This butter is not for eating. I got hired to create a big sculpture.
made of butter.
Yeah! For the bread convention. See? It's Toasty the Baker! He's the mascot, and they hired me to make a giant sculpture of him out of butter.
So then we're gonna get started.
Okay. What are you thinking?
Money, baby!
Just gonna load up my
Sweet
gun.
like corn syrup.
So just in case,
Okay.
because
So what are we doing
you
today?
don't
Is that
want
little belly hungry
robbers
boy?
there.
Whatever. First,
We
just let me finish
don't
the
want
scene
no
up.
robbers
Sure.
in the station, right?
Do you ready?
Right?
This guy Neville who runs a big website.
Ah!
Yeah.
Hands up!
Check out our next website.
Hands up where I can see you! Hands up! Put the gun down! Put the gun down! That's these bullets!
He's right there.
Hands up! I won't shoot you.
There. I'll send
I'm
you.
just pointing my arrow at you. Hands up!
Yeah, but first those
Behind your
You
back.
want to go make the toilet water turn blue?
so much.
Do it.
Stop doing it! Fist. Fist. No doing that.
3, 2. Hey, welcome to iCarly. Check
Go
out
over
our
there.
fresh new graphic. Okay, I'm Carly. I'm Sam. And we like to draw families on our toes.
Better not escape. He escaped! He escaped!
Earthquake!
He escaped! No grabbing the gun! No grabbing the gun!
Okay,
You can grab the gun.
cool. Check out this kid from
Please
New
don't.
York. He's a crump dancer. He enjoys crumping. And he does it covered in peanut butter. Crump it up, peanut boy.
He's dead! Woo! He's still alive! Grab his gun! Got him! Got him! He's dead! He's dead for life now, guys! So, see you in the next video. Bye!